Affiliate marketing for beginners. Let me introduce you to the wonders of affiliate marketing. How, when, why you should get started with this amazing business online. Affiliate marketing for beginners is a daunting task, scary. Don't worry, I have you covered. I will offer you the system I am using and allows me to run an effective business online. Make sure you understand the affiliate agreement and that you can comply with it. Take the time to check out the advertiser before joining to ensure they really do pay out to affiliates and that their program is not a scam. All of the scary stuff is covered in the system I will show you. Affiliate marketing is a routine where you offer someone's product for sale. You make a sale and get an agreed portion of the income. So all you have done is get the customers, and in most cases the owner will give you the tools to sell the item. Sales videos, graphics, emails, letters. They send them out and deal with any questions. You just get customers, and in the process you should also build an email list. So as new customers or opt-ins come to your list, you will be able to send new offers to them. You can build your list with free traffic or quicker with paid traffic. All of this is covered in the system I am offering you. Everything works at your speed. Here is the link to get started. Affiliate marketers have to consider whether a particular product or company is worth their time to promote. Some companies only pay a 1% commission, while others pay 75% commission. And you can get paid as little as a few cents and as much as a few $100 or $1,000 depending on the type of item sold. As the affiliate marketer, you also have to determine how much time you need to spend in order to make a sale. Affiliate marketing is not a set-it-and-forget-it kind of method, as some people claim it to be. It takes active work to make a sale. Yes, you will need a good system to be guided through the details. Here it is, click this link. I am sure you got value from this item. So leave a comment so I can improve and share with others. This does work, so get started. Click this link now. Bill Morrow. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.